Hi and welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use the word doch in a sentence. This video is split into two parts. In the first part, we are going to learn in which situations to use the word doch, and in the second part, we are going to take a look at some examples. Doch in English means still, yet, if only, however, but, or after all. It's used for expressing a contrast, for contradicting a negative statement or a question, if we do expect an agreement, or if we want to reinforce a statement. It can be also used as a conjunction or for expressions like anyway or nevertheless. Let's take a look at some examples. As already said before, it can be used for expressing a contrast. For example, Sie nahmen den Schirm mit, doch dann regnete es nicht. Sie nahmen den Schirm mit, doch dann regnete es nicht. Means, she took the umbrella with her, but then it didn't rain. It's also used for contradicting a negative statement or a question. For example, A asks, weißt du das nicht? And B answers, doch, ich weiß das. So A is making a negative question and B is contradicting it. Weißt du das nicht? Doch, ich weiß das. So A is asking, don't you know that? And B answers, of course I know that. Doch is also used when we expect an agreement. Du kommst doch auch, oder? Du kommst doch auch, oder? Means you are also coming, right? It's also used for reinforcing a statement. For example, sei doch mal pünktlich. Sei doch mal pünktlich. Means just be on time for once. It can be also used as a conjunction. For example, anfangs war es noch recht leer, doch dann wurde es immer voller. Let's repeat. Anfangs war es noch recht leer, doch dann wurde es immer voller. So this means at the beginning it was still quite empty, but then it became more and more crowded. Anfangs, at the beginning, war es, it was, noch recht, still quite, leer, empty, doch dann, but then, wurde es immer voller. It became more and more crowded. So immer here means more and more. Doch can also be used for expressions like anyway or nevertheless. For example, es regnete stark, doch es war trotzdem schön. Es regnete stark, doch es war trotzdem schön. Means it was raining heavily, but it was still beautiful anyway. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.